How to upload long videos to Instagram story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open gallery or photos on your device. Then simply go to the video you want to add and then press on edit at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you've pressed on edit, you will find this kind of screen. Here, you'll find trim. Simply trim to 30 seconds or 15 seconds as Instagram allows you to. Simply trim every part into 30 seconds. After that, open Instagram, click on your story at the top left corner of your screen. Then simply select the first part of the video, which is 30 seconds, and press on your story at the bottom left. You can repeat this process, or you can also trim in the Instagram app. It is not available on my region. You can do it. Press on your story, then second part, then third part. In this way, you will be able to add. This is how to upload long videos to Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.